Hello and welcome to episode 3, which today we'll be working on a function. So when you've spawned into Studio, just create a part and then make sure this part is anchored and slightly above the ground, because we're going to be using something called a touch event, which we won't get too detailed into that, but just make sure that it's anchored. So then go to your part and then click on the plus arrow and then make a script. So from here you want to remove the hello world and you want to do local part equals script dot parent, and then that's it. So this one line of code is quite important just because it gets the parent. So that would make it, this is the script, and then from there you'd be moving to the parent part. So the parent part is equal to part, so that's why we've called it part. So now we're going to make a function. So local function is now, this is the function. So then put close and end brackets and then press enter and it will make an end. So once this function is done or called, then we want to print we are running the function. Now, if we actually press play in this now and went straight into it, we would not actually get anything. Nothing would appear no matter what we did in this game, because there's no way to get that to run or connect the script. So if we go out of here now, to test this, we want to add a part. So part is going to the script.parent.touched, which this is a touched event, so when this is touched it will do something. And then connect, which is with a semicolon, no, with a colon, connect with a capital C, and then you want to type in this or whatever you've named your function. This is a function. Make sure you get rid of the brackets, because the brackets aren't needed. So if we go into the game and we walk over to our part, we will actually see we are running the function. So as you can see, if we're not on it, there's nothing moving, this is not happening. But if we go onto here, then it will constantly be running this function. So whatever is in this function will be ran. For example, if we now went off this and then we wanted this function to actually do something, so let's make two local variables, because we studied variables before. So number 1, we'll get it to add. So number 1 equals 20. Local number 2 equals 30. So then we will have for the function in here number 1 plus number 2. No, that's not what we'll do. We will just leave it as that, and then we will do number 1 plus number 2. But we want to print this, so we'll go print, open brackets, close brackets, but we'll put that in here and then do that. So if we print this now and press play, we should get 50 into the command bar. So find our block, go over to this part, and then there you go, we've got 50, and it'll consistently do that and add 50 until we change our script. So that's all from functions today. We will be going more and more advanced in functions in the future, but this is all we've got for this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video and stay tuned for more. Goodbye.